Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete history on AliExpress app. It is super simple, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open up your AliExpress app on your device. Make sure that you have logged in your account. Now, once you are in the home page, click onto your account at the bottom right corner of your screen. There you'll see various setting options. Click on the history with the clock icon. A new interface will be opened where you'll see all the things that you have searched or looked at. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a little green button. Click on it, and if you want to delete only one, click on one. If you want to delete all history, click on select all at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then after that, you'll see a red button where it's written delete. You need to click on delete. A pop-up icon will appear asking you to confirm. Click on confirm, and that's it. All the items and the history have been deleted. Isn't it super easy? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.